If you're trying to launch a product online, whether it's digital or physical, let me tell you the brutal truth. Most people fail. Not because their product's bad, not because their idea isn't solid, but because they have no idea how to market it. So what do? They panic. They either dump their entire budget into static ads that barely move the needle, or they hire influencers who charge an arm and a leg only to see little to no ROI. Sound familiar? It should, because this is where 99% of entrepreneurs get stuck. So let me tell you a quick story, because I was in the same exact spot as you a few times before it all clicked for me. Years ago, I launched my first business thinking all I had to do was build it and they would magically show up. So I did what everyone does. I boosted some posts, paid some influencers, and waited. Nothing. Crickets. A few leads trickled in, but nowhere near what I needed, right? So I was hella frustrated. I thought maybe my product just isn't good enough. So what do? I give up. But being the stubborn entrepreneur that I am, I started a new business, of course, with the same outcome. So why not start another one? This one started out the same way, but something happened. The only ads that were converting somewhat weren't polished high-budget campaigns that we were running. Nope. They were raw, real, and personal testimonials, or UGC. I saw other brands scaling off the backs of normal people like you and me creating authentic content. So I thought, why am I paying for influencers when I can create my own content? And that was the moment it all changed. Because when I started creating UGC for other successful brands, everything clicked to me. UGC is the marketing cheat code. It's testimonials from real people, people who actually look and sound like your actual customers. And that is what converts. But here's the crazy part. Once I started doing UGC for other brands, I didn't just make steady 5 figures every month. I learned the game from their side. So when you dive into UGC, you're not just creating content, you're developing high-value skills that most entrepreneurs never learn. You start to understand how to market and sell anything, how to script, guide, and source creators, what makes ads actually convert, and how to structure offers and create compelling sales messages. You see, most people never figure this out, and that's why their businesses fail. But if you can master UGC, you'll never be broke again, because now you don't just know how to sell other people's products, cha-ching, you can sell your own. Here's the part most people miss. The highest converting content of all time is not fancy productions. It's not a celebrity endorsement. It's the founder's story. Think about it. When you see a brand growing, what's more compelling to you? A generic ad with a fancy brand, or the story of a real person building it, the person behind it? The person overcoming their struggles, making their breakthroughs, and bringing their vision to life. This is why I started the Creator Catalyst Academy, because I don't just want you making money with UGC. No, that's not it. I want you learning how to use it to build your own empire. You still don't believe me? Let me hit you with some facts. Glossier, they started as a blog, leveraged UGC from their audience, and turned it into a $1.2 billion brand. Second, Gymshark, focused on founder-led content and athlete UGC. What do? They grew to a $1 billion valuation. Last up, Liquid Death, a simple canned water company that blew up by using nothing but viral UGC and founder-led storytelling. Are you starting to see a pattern here? It's not just about throwing money at ads, it's about building connection and trust through content that actually resonates with people. So now you're thinking, okay, I get it, but where do I start, John? I got you. Number 1, pick a niche, something that excites you, like fitness, beauty, tech, finance. It doesn't matter. UGC works everywhere. It's more so what direction do you want to go and where do you feel most comfortable. Second, create spec work. Pick a product, create sample UGC videos, and start building up a portfolio. Third, reach out to brands. Start pitching brands with proof that your content actually converts. Fourth, run your own UGC ads. Use UGC to promote your own projects, services, or personal brand. You see, this is exactly what I teach inside the Creator Catalyst Academy. How to start, scale, and leverage UGC to fund your life and your business. Man, I wish someone had told me this 10 years ago, because UGC isn't just about making money from brands. It's a launch pad, honestly. It funds your life and it gives you confidence. It arms you with the skills you need to build something bigger, something to be really proud of. And if you want financial freedom, if you want control over your future, this is your sign. This is exactly why I built the Creator Catalyst Academy. So you don't have to waste your time making the stupid mistakes I did. The skills you build with UGC can take you anywhere. And I want to show you how to use them to your advantage. So check it out below. Let's get to work. So if you like content that can help you break free from the matrix, please consider subscribing and let's get this money together.